Dear students, welcome to all. Today we are going to see the last portion of the lesson Amigo Brother. In the last two classes we have seen the two rounds. Now it's third round. Let me see what is happening in the third round. Let me go through the lesson. Yes. Bomb round 3, the final round. Up to now, it had been tic-tac-toe. Very pretty, much even. But everyone knew there could be no draws and that this round would decide the winner. Here, it is the final round. In this round, there is no elimination. In this round, we know about the winner, whether Antonio or Felix. And here, it's a pretty round than the first and second round. Tic-tac-toe. ഇഞ്ചോട് ഇഞ്ച് പോരാട്ടത്തിലാണ് രണ്ടാളും. But everyone knew there could be no draws. But all the people know there is no draws in this. And this round would decide the winner, isn't it? And this round will decide who is the winner. This time, to Felix's surprise, it was Antonio who came out fast, charging across the ring. Felix braced himself but couldn't ward off the barrage of punches. Felix tapped his gloves and commenced his attack anew. Antonio, throwing boxer caution to the winds, jumped in to meet him. Both pounded away. This time, to Felix's surprise, still in the first and second round, Felix was very eager. Felix was very active to fight with Antonio and to knock out him earlier. But in the third round, here Felix was surprised to see. What he was surprised to see? Here, who is the person coming first to fight? Yes, Antonio. Antonio was coming rush to fight with Felix. It makes surprise to Felix. Okay. Here, it was Antonio who came fast, charging across the ring. And he was charging across the ring. Felix braced himself but couldn't ward off the barrage of punches. Felix braced himself. Felix was ready. He was ready himself but couldn't ward off. Here, couldn't ward off here means couldn't protect. Okay, ward. W-A-R-D. Here, ward meaning here protect. Here, Felix was not able to ward off. Here, Felix was not able to protect him. Here, Felix braced himself. Here, Felix was ready, but he was not able to protect. Here, the barrage of punches here. Here, barrage here meaning one after one punches. Here, Antonio was giving one after one punches. And here, so Felix was not able to protect him. Okay, Felix was giving number of punches to Felix. And here, so yes, Felix, but Felix was not able to protect. Felix tapped his gloves and commenced his attack anew. Here, Felix was tapped his gloves. And he was, what he was doing? And commenced his attack. Here, commenced here meaning he was began to attack. Antonio throwing boxer caution to the winds. Here, For the boxer, there was rules and regulations, isn't it? But here, he is not. Here, Antonio was throwing the caution to the wind. റൂൾസും കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെയും എന്താണ് കാറ്റിൽ പരത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് കേൾക്കണ്ട. ഹു വാസ് ഡൂയിങ് ദാറ്റ്? ആന്റണിയോ. ആന്റണിയോ അതിൻ്റെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ, അതായത് ബോക്സർ എന്ന നിലയ്ക്ക് അവർക്ക് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ എന്താണ് കാറ്റിൽ പരത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് എന്താണ് ആ രീതിയിലല്ല അവിടെ എന്താണ് ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Antonio throwing boxer caution to the winds, jumped in to meet him. He was jumping to attack whom? Felix. Antonio was jumping and here was attacking Felix. Both pounded away. Neither gave an inch and neither fell to the canvas. They fought toe to toe. The rounds of their blows were loud in contrast to the silence of the crowd, gone completely mute. The referee was stunned by by their savagery. Neither gave an inch. രണ്ടാളും ഒരു ഇഞ്ചിന് വിട്ടുകൊടുക്കുന്നില്ല. Here, Antonio as well as Felix, both are not giving away. They are not give away. Here, they gave an inch, neither gave an inch, and neither fell to the canvas, and they are not falling down. Here, falling down to the canvas here meaning they are not able to knock out. Here, Felix was not able to knock out Antonio. Antonio was not able to knock out Felix. They fought toe to toe. വിട്ടുകൊടുക്കാതെ ഒരു ഇഞ്ച് വിട്ടുകൊടുക്കാതെ പോരാടുന്നു. The sounds of their blows were loud in contrast to the silence of the crowd, gone completely mute. The sounds of the blows. ആ പഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന സൗണ്ട്, ആ ഇടിക്കുന്ന ഹിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സൗണ്ട് make the crowd to be mute. Due to the people are very silent, the people are very mute, they are very eager to know what is going to happen. They are very eager to wait and see what's going to happen. Here, at that time, the sound of the blows, the hitting sound, it was making the people, that is the people here mean they are very eager and they want to see. So the people are in mute. The people are in mute and they are hearing the sound of the blows. These two people fight. Here, the referee was stunned by this savagery. The referee, he was stunned. ആകെ അന്തം വിട്ട പോലെ നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. The referee was stunned due to the animal behavior of these two people. Okay. Here, referee was stunned. Why the referee was stunned? Due to the fight of the people. That is Antonio and Felix. They are like animals. Okay, they are like animals. They seem to be like animal behavior. Bong, bong, bong. The bell sounded over and over again. The sound, the bell sound. They are hearing the bell sound, but they don't want to stop the fight. They heard the sound of the bell, but they don't want to stop the fight. Felix and Antonio were past hearing. Their blows continued to pound on each other like a hailstone. What is the meaning of hailstone? ആലിപ്പഴം എന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? Here, hailstone. Here it was the raindrops that will fall like ice cubes. Here it's like that. Here the punches. Here the blows continue to pound on each other like hailstone. Okay, the blows continue to pound on. Here the continuation of the continuous punching. It was like the hailstone. Finally, the referee and the two trainers peered Felix and Antonio apart. At last, what the referee and the other two, the trainers, what they are doing? They are making them to here. Pride here meaning separate. Okay. Here the two trainers and the referee, here these three people are trying to separate them because they are fighting like animals. Now they have animal behavior. They don't want to stop. Now they are like champions. Now they are like the champions. Here cold water was poured over them to bring them back to their senses. What they are doing? What the trainers and the referee doing? They are pouring cold water to the body, to the head, to come to their old sense. Here they looked around and then rushed toward each other. What they are doing? They are looking all the people. These two, Antonio and Felix, they are looking all the people and moving again to fight. Okay, they are moving again to fight. A cry of alarm surged through Tompkins Square Park. So, in the Tompkins Square Park, the people are making roaring. The people are making sound. Was this a fight to the death instead of a boxing match? The people are standing to see what they are saying. Whether it is a boxing match or it's a fight to the death. These two people are friends, but they are fighting like animals. So, what they are saying? They are saying that whether it is a boxing match or the fight to death. The fear soon gave way to wave upon wave of cheering as the two amigos embraced. The people at first they were feared. They thought what it was going to happen. But what the amigos are doing? They are embracing. They are hugging. They stopped the fight and they started to hug. No matter what the decision. No matter what the decision. എന്ത് തീരുമാനമായാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. They don't want to fight. They stop the fight. No matter what the decision. They knew they would always be champions to each other. So, these two people know that Antonio was champion to Felix and Felix knew that Antonio was a champion. So, they don't want to know the people whether Antonio was the winner or Felix was the winner. They stopped. Suddenly they stopped the fight and they embraced. Bong, bong, bong. Ladies and gentlemen, here the announcer was saying that who is going to represent the boys club. The winner is going to represent the boys club. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner and representative to the Golden Gloves Tournament of Champions is who is that? The winner and the representative to the Golden Gloves Tournament of Champions is, here what is happening? What is happening? The announcer turned to point to the winner. The announcer was turning to point the winner. Who is that winner? And found himself alone. But nobody is in the ring. What they done? What they have done? The arm in arm, the champions have already left the ring. These two persons are hugging. After that, what they are doing? Arm in arm. കൈയോട് കൈ ചേർത്തുകൊണ്ട് ആ റിങ്ങിൽ നിന്ന് എന്താണ് ഇറങ്ങിപ്പോയി എന്നാണ് ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട്. So here, these two persons, Antonio and Felix, they are not doing what the referee said. They did not follow the rules and regulations of the boxing match. So what they are giving? They are giving importance to their friendship. Here they don't want to know. They want to know who is the champions. Here friendship is the best one. Here that's why the caption Amigo Brothers is given. Okay, now can you understand the lesson? Okay, thank you students.